Let's clean these connectors now. So satisfying to see the dirt lift away from the frame joint.
Look at that purple stuff working. Getting deep into the spokes now. Almost clean.
The front axle is removed. Now we carefully lower the wheel and roll it to the stand.
Applying pressure with the tool. There's the snap. Now, carefully lifting the old chain into the tray.
Okay, loosen the clamp bolts and gently slide the fork down. You can see the old oil leaking out. Time to remove the engine bolts. One by one, nice and slow.
Welcome back to the workshop. Today we begin the restoration of this classic 1986 Suzuki frame. The stiff wire brush should take care of this corrosion. Nice and slow.
Gently brushing the converter onto the corroded areas. Watch the color change from orange to black. It's very satisfying.
Applying the degreaser now, making sure to get every welded joint perfectly clean.
Just applying a little bit more polish here, gently rubbing it in circular motions. See how it clears up.
Look at the reflection starting to appear on this vintage aluminum. All right, bolts are loose. Just need to carefully pull this off now. And there we have the camshafts.
So satisfying. The smooth separation of metal, revealing the carbon deposits on these vintage pistons. The key is patience, slowly lifting the deposits without marring the aluminum surface underneath. All right, plates are in. Now for the pressure plate and springs. We'll torque these down to spec. There's 1 and 2. Now we apply the assembly lube to the gears, ensuring every tooth is coated for smooth operation.
Once the alignment is perfect, we slowly rotate the wheel and apply a thin coat of lubricant to the Z-ring chain.
Now we gently slide the piston into the bore, making sure not to nick the new seal.
That bearing's seated perfectly. The run out is spot on.
applying the accent. Look at the mesmerizing mist and the perfectly defined color separation.
Just look at that reflection starting to appear. So smooth. We're slowly revealing the true color of this beautiful Suzuki.